Hello traders, today is 26th of September. What an amazing day guys, blessing day, beginning of the day, amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. As I mentioned in my previous analysis yesterday, we had this beautiful breakout. After the breakout, as I explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback, first target hit. We are heading towards the final target. Let's see here if the market is going to continue or not. We'll let you know later. Let me share with you how I analyze the market in intraday and help my traders not to miss this opportunity. As you have seen yesterday, we had this beautiful short trade here, and afterwards, as explained to my trader, look for another breakout. This morning, we have this beautiful breakout. We have another pullback. Even when the market was at this level, and that's what I explained, I did updated the analysis just to make sure trader don't miss this opportunity. You can see here we have another beautiful breakout, amazing short trade here. Most of the traders still holding, and as soon as the target hit first target, that's what I explained my trader. At least move your stop loss at the break even or enjoy pipping. So you want to see those analyses in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast going today community, guys. Have a nice day.